everyone, it's time for Drop and Craft, and today we are making frogs because it is National Frog Month, if you didn't know that. Very simple. All you need are construction paper, some glue, scissors, a marker that I made his smile with, some tape just if you want to reinforce it, and that's it. When I was making this today out of my paper, I realized you can use like a birthday hat, a green birthday hat, if you wanted to make it a little easier for you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a shape like this on a piece of paper. So I'm going to take my pencil and kind of draw the shape for you like this. And then we're going to cut it out, and you might have to trim it once you put it together. I'm going to do all my parts now. So we have that for the body, and then we need some legs. So a simple way to do that is I cut a strip of green paper, fold it in half, and then I fold it in half again, and that's gonna give me, watch, gonna just kind of make some funky frog's feet. You can do this any way you want. And it's gonna give me 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. And then I'm gonna take a white piece of paper for my eyes, fold it in half, and I'm going to cut 2 circles out. So it's going to give me, I'm just saving some time for you. It's going to give me 2 eyes, and then I'm going to take my black paper, which is going to be my eyeballs, and I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to cut 2 circles out of this to paste onto my white eyeball. And most importantly, what we need is the frog's tongue. So I am going to just cut a piece, about an inch wide, I'm sorry. I'm going to cut it the length of my construction paper. So I have that. Now I'm going to clean up a little and just have in front of me, and I brought this cup to show you that if you wanted to use something to help you make circles, you can use the bottom of this cup. So I'm going to move everything around here, and we're going to see everything that we have. So we have 2 eyes, 4 legs, and a tongue, and a body. So I'm going to glue on my eyes, like that, and like that. Now here's the part that's going to take a little time. We're going to take our green piece of paper, and you're going to roll it so it looks like a birthday hat. So it has a point on the top like that. And I said you were going to have to trim some. And then I'm going to put some glue on here like this and close it up. And if I want to reinforce it a little so it stays closed, I'm going to put a piece of tape. And then I have all this extra paper, so I'm just going to cut it off to make it a cone. There we go. Standing just like that. So let's put his legs on first. That's how we're sticking the legs on. I'm going to take my legs and I'm going to fold over the very top of it, like that. So we could stick it underneath his body. So we're going to put glue here, and I'm going to put it underneath like this. And I'm going to put this one over here, like that. I glued the wrong side on. Like that. Then I'm gonna do his back legs. I wonder what his legs are called. I lost one. I wonder what his legs are called. If anyone finds that out, you can email me and let me know what his legs are called. But he jumps with them. And so I have him and his legs in the back, like that. Now I'm going to put his eyes on. Like that. And he has two eyes. I'm going to put the other one on next to it. And you can make his eyes like a little kooky looking. Like that. And then I'm going to make a little smile on him. I'm going to make him like a little raggedy smile. This is the best part. This is what you need your scissor for also. I'm going to take my strip, and this is how they catch their flies. I'm going to open up my scissor, and you might need help from somebody. And I'm going to curl my paper like that, so he has a little curly leaf, curly tongue that he could catch his flies with. I'm going to stick his tongue right there. I keep losing his back leg. I'm going to make sure he still has it. And I'll put his tongue on like that, and there you have it. You have your frogs. Happy National Frog Month. See you later. Bye.